Hey guys, today we're going to be making the barn in paper modeling by M. Swano. This is the barn I made with my kids when we did this, and it's one of the projects that I kept because I thought it was pretty cool. So what you're going to need is some paper, heavyweight cardstock. This is 100 lb, 100 weight, and a roller, a pencil, scissors, glue or tape. Sometimes I use both, as you guys have noticed, and some paints to paint your barn. So we're going to start off with our blank sheet of paper, and we're going to do an 8 by 8 inch square for this project. Alright, now we're going to cut out our 8 by 8 inch square. So then we're going to fold it according to the plan on the page. So we're going to make 16 squares again. Just so you know, these projects do build on each other, and I expect everyone who is working on this fourth project, the barn, to have done the previous 3, because that first project is going to teach you how to fold it. So we fold it in half, then we fold these into the half line. Now we're going to turn it like this and do the same thing. It's important to go in order. Oops. Alright, so now we have those 16 squares. I'm going to make sure they're folded out. Now taking a pencil, we're going to go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Alright, so now we're going to cut between A, B, and C, and C and D. And now between H and L, we're going to draw a line here. This is going to be the door. And down. And these are folding lines, so I make them dotted. And then we're going to cut the lines that we just did. And these are the doors that we can fold open. Alright, so now on this side we're going to cut between M and N and O and P. Alright, now we're going to fold it. So to do this, you're going to fold B over C and N over O, like this. So B over C and N over O. I'm just going to use tape. B over C. The hard part in this one, I think, is the folding. It took me a while to get it. So now we have B over C and N over O. Now we're going to fold these like this. See how this is the roof and these are the sides? And paste. And the other side. So those form the walls. And then you have your little house, and you can fold back the doors. And there you have a barn that you can paint. So I wanted just to talk to you guys for a minute. I wanted to remind you that you are seeing an adult make these projects, and I have been doing, this is the third or fourth, maybe fifth time that I've made this, because I did it myself, then I taught my own kids, and I've also taught my niece and nephew this project, and I'm also teaching paper sloyd to my friend Brooke and her family, and she has 14 children. So I just wanted to let you know this is an adult who's done it several times doing it. Next time I teach a paper sloyd lesson, I would like to show you how it goes and show you examples of the kids. So my friend Brooke, she has 14 to age under 2, and I only do the paper sloyd for 3 and up for her. But I will take a picture and try to put it in here of what that looks like, and to show you. I just wanted to remind you guys that this, you're seeing me do it after I've done it a lot, and don't expect your kids to look like this. They could look better. Like, I'm not perfect, but my 6-year-old, when he does this craft, it definitely doesn't look like this. And I try not to help him as much as possible and to let him do it on his own, as long as he can get it close. Obviously, I would like it to be a barn and not a folded up wadded piece of paper, because, yeah, I don't know. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'm going to do the next one. Bye.